When this guy came to give him a kiss, he told us to, hey, look at your big stink.
Well, bro, why is elbow in your guys' head? You put elbow in the guy's head. I never said elbow. I
Actually,
swear to you, Smith, bro. I never said elbow. Welcome back to another episode of Chills and Vibes. You know how it be. You must be thinking, this man is cock lonely. All his bras left him, but no, it's not like that actually. We have a new member to the podcast. Ne? Most of you might know him because he's in our friend group. So welcome, Shaquille Biden.
thank you, thank you. Oh,
Uh,
since the uploads now, but
oh, yeah.
as soon as people see it, they're gonna be like, okay, now what the heck? Yeah, shake
Eh,
so check.
nah, we.
So,
So, yeah, since we long last than a normal podcast, Talan is sick. Away we move on. But away. So, guys, how can I say now? There will be more content, but yeah, that's for next week's. But there will be more blind dates and more mukbangs. We already have plans, so
yeah,
don't stress about that.
can I be honest?
Yeah, say.
I know why there's no podcast. This man is lazy, bro. Like I told this man this process, bro. You can't stop till like you're rich, Then you can that humble, but now for now you can't be lazy.
But yeah, Shakil, you have a question? Let us man open about the podcast because
Yeah, so
you
you
see,
and apparently I'm talking to him, so it's alright.
us man, but he's not gonna be just like in the podcast. Us man's gonna be editing also, so
Okay.
you are gonna see differences, maybe something better also. Because I know us man take his time on things, unlike me,
This
Like you
man,
say, I'm
dude,
lazy.
even this man, I told this man like last week he was supposed to teach me how to edit and all that stuff. Do you think last week came no stress? See there already? Nah, look how man is lazy. Man's not gonna do it today. So you can't blame us or anyone in the pod. You just have to blame us.
Oh, we blame me, guys.
Yeah. So I'm gonna start off with the question.
Oh,
Like
we.
it's a random question. Huh?
Yeah,
You
we. You
can't you
can
can't
ask a
you can't you
random
can't
question.
hate on me for this question.
Oh, we.
Oh yeah. So look here, I know you have a dog and
Yeah.
it's a Morse dog.
Oh, we.
How did you ever have to chase out man? To bring him back in the yard and that man think it's playtime.
My bro, the thing about dogs, my bro. My bro, once I chased one of our dogs, my bro, into fucking the main road there in Cobus, my bro. Cars is coming, my bro. I think we chasing it the whole time, my
They
bro.
think it's
My
playtime.
bro, I think I almost wrecked. I'm not gonna lie. I think it almost wrecked, my
And
bro.
that's a good thing at me, bro.
I knew
Yeah, it's
your
a
dog is got playful.
yeah. Now the reason why I'm asking that, look at my dog never went out. Almost I'm talking
Oh,
about,
way.
but she was allowed. She was
Fucking close, though.
yeah, but she was sweet, man. You know
Uh,
what scared of her. So one day we decided, nah, look here, I want to take her for a walk. Check.
mm.
No problem to walk out. She's walking calmly, calmly. First time in her life, see another dog. I look down to my hands, where's the leash? The leash is by the other dog. And
How you mean the
anyway,
part came loose, though?
yeah, the part came loose.
Uh,
I
uh,
look, where's that? I was off in my hand. I look, where's her leash? Her leash is on the other dog.
just sit there.
Luckily, no dogs were harmed or injured.
Oh,
But
way.
however, we were safe. Yeah,
The thing is, my bro, I had questions, ne? Akil. I'm back bad in my memory, my bro. I feel like I needed to, my bro, but our phones is recording.
What
Now I don't
yeah,
have,
I
my
don't
bro,
have the
yeah.
question. Now we must memorize it. Sting, we must
Oh, way.
memorize.
I mean, so ask another question, my bro.
Okay, another question
Oh,
also.
way.
So how do you know, ne?
Mm,
Like we know we go out a lot in Lord.
yeah.
Like we go to places. I don't say clubs,
Uh,
but we go to places where everyone chill. But bro, how do you know certain people that we met is not supposed to be around us?
how you mean like certain people is not supposed to be around
Like
us?
you get it now, bro. Cup you on, talk
Uh,
here and there. So then I'm gonna catch you later. Then you get the one, bro. Either when he's drunk, and when
uh, oh, it's not supposed to
he's
be
not
at
supposed to
all.
be there at all. Yeah, you understand
Oh,
what I'm
we
saying?
all know Mark like, nee, Mochi is not supposed to
Yeah,
be.
no, not like that.
Oh, how you
Like,
mean it?
nah, that was far to block when it was made or something. You check.
Oh,
Like, how you know
uh,
he's a suitable human being, a subtle human being to be
a
around?
good person.
Oh, yeah, a good person, basically.
Nah, me bro. I always check on the vibes, me bro. I keep my big man. I I block still for a moment, ne.
Mm, mm.
I just listen, my bro. I don't nga too drunk person. Unless that man is, my bro, it's a stage, ne. With certain drunk people, they become like wise, man. They either love you, ne, or they just tell you, ne, whatever you doing,
Yeah.
buta, keep doing it,
Yeah, they
bro.
motivational.
Oh,
But
really?
I'm thinking it was now I had experience with you.
Easy.
Yeah, there was so one time there was this girl. Look here, can't mention names, but there was this girl there. This girl wanted shit his head bad. I talk about bad. she knew
Oh, I know what story is it.
she knew also wanted this girl bad, but she got drunk. And the time she wanted to come approach, she was like avoiding her. Like, nah, nah. And then when this girl came to give him a kiss, he told us to, hey, look at your big stink.
Well, bro, why is elbow in your guys' head? You put elbow in the guy's head. I never said elbow. I
She
swear to you, my bro, I never said elbow. I just didn't want to kiss him because she's drunk, man. You check. But
lying.
my bro, that time, I'm young, man. I'm dumb. You see, so I check, kissing a drunk person is cock wrong, man. Because I'm sober, my bro.
I was
So,
drunk.
my bro, but now I realize, people they have sins, my bro. It's just a certain point where you must, like, really not do nothing, you see.
My thing is this, man. You knew she wanted you.
I
And
knew
you,
she wanted
and
me, but
you,
still,
and,
I didn't vice a big thing, my bro. Don't
but you
lie.
didn't shove her away because you're
I
smart.
didn't shove her away, my
So,
bro. What?
why did you do
What
that?
are you seeing, my bro? I just been
No,
seeing it.
why did, why did you
My
tell her big stink,
experience was
though?
totally different what you saw and what you
Hey, guys, I'm just
think.
lying, man. It was but to us, it
You're
seemed like,
always exaggerating a story, man.
no, she didn't say so. She did just, it doesn't approve of bad breath. Not like
I
bad
didn't.
breath in the sense of,
She doesn't have bad breath,
yeah,
my
she was
bro.
just drunk.
My bro, name a person who's drunk unless they drink black label and you will smell it, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, Roy.
Oh, well.
Nah, but
But I finally found a question I've been wanting to ask you, my bro. What is so nga, we drove after work past you guys. It's a stance event, like stance, bro.
I
A
knew it was
park
gonna
of
come.
my
I knew
bro.
it was gonna come up.
For me, it was not a car person, my bro.
Yeah.
Watching you is just telling you, my bro. My bro, everyone is pumping their own numbers. No one is like, my bro, it was quiet, it's calm,
It's,
most calm as bro, man. Checking
yeah.
what is this, my bro.
You
It's
see,
always meditating, yeah.
no. You see, now, like I said, okay, I didn't say this, but when you go to car events, it's not always like partying and this. You take your, like, you build something now. Maybe you build for example, the trios.
Mm.
Everyone's gonna come to your trios. Everyone's gonna say, yeah, this was quiet, and you're gonna get people. Okay, bad example, bad
Oh,
example. Wait, bad
who is
example,
coming to a
bad
trios?
example.
But okay, you sa building as bro,
Yeah, yeah,
Do people come up to you and ask you about your car?
yeah. They
Age
ask you.
group, they take picture and all of it.
Yeah, they ask you what have you done to the car? How long do you have the
Mm.
car? And that's what makes you appreciate it, man. So just think everyone come there with things they built.
Yeah,
They
way.
put that now together. It looks nice to most people. For me personally, it looks beautiful. But to others, they're gonna think, nah, it's just a piece of metal. Like
Yeah,
you must
way.
remember, like for me, this is why I'm so getting into cars. Sentimental now purposes.
Oh.
Check. When Bow fall apart, like you feel like Bow is not going right. You're gonna go to that car, you're gonna build that car to your standard. And that's the only
Mm.
thing you're gonna be building, and you know in your heart that is right.
Yeah,
That's
way.
why people appreciate cars, you check.
Yeah, way, ne.
Understand? So that's why when you saw that show, we
Mm.
know we're not gonna get the
Even though
same.
people are sitting still, just
Yeah,
smoking pipe, chilling in a car.
yeah. People go there, they say, nah, look, they can go out to this car. This car will take them there to meet new people.
Mm.
Most of the people probably don't even know each other.
No
And
way.
they're all chilling and getting to know each other, talking, having a few drinks, not drinking and driving. Only drink and drive if you have it in your hand and you're driving. It's drinking and driving. Sorry, guys.
That's just one a competition one or what?
Yeah, it's like a show, like a park, like a show and stuff. You check. So people get awards for
sponsored by it.
sponsored by Motors and more. Yeah, you
Oh,
check. So that was quiet. The only
oh,
thing they had to do, the people in the nation that hosted the event, the only thing
yeah.
that they had to do was like buy voice rolls.
Yeah, so everyone got like free food.
Nah, they didn't have to, they had to pay for
I
it.
had to pay,
Yeah,
like a vendor
yeah,
almost.
just to have a vendor for food. Because
Uh,
you can't just have a vent, no food, no
no
vendors,
food,
no drinks,
yeah.
no nothing.
And now people's gonna have to ride away from a place.
Yeah, to go buy stuff
Uh,
now. So they catered for everyone in Czech. So
mm,
big ups.
no way.
Now you understand why
We understand, yeah, in a way, me, bro. Because to me, man, I was riding past and I was like checking out, why is everyone just calm, me, bro?
yeah,
Chilling at time at that time, competition doesn't yet start. Waiting for everyone to pull
waiting
up.
for everyone to pull up. You must
Oh,
know car people, ne? When they pull up to events, the event will start at 2. People will come there 2:30, 3 o'clock. And some people come after the event and the event is still going on. Just because it's a lekker chill. It's
no
just
way.
calm and peaceful.
No
No
way.
fighting, no stabbing, no nothing.
Very not like a club event where
Not
people
okay.
get stabbed, fights,
Yeah.
glasses getting thrown.
See,
That's the only thing I about like guy events,
guys,
guys. The only thing I understand.
yeah.
Peace.
So
I understand peace, me
yeah, you
bro.
must see the stickers, bro. I always buy it. Like a Korean bro made a sticker. Imagine the whole world living in peace. Then
Is it?
yeah, then it's like different people at the car event, like people from UK, Russia. I don't know, South Africa also. There's a guy from Joburg. He take
Oh,
his car up to Gravity, UK stands, and all that stuff. He actually won a top 3 award there on top of PE.
is it?
Yeah, from South Africa.
Oh, and
And
from PE, us guys from PE,
nah,
or
this
no?
guy's from Joburg.
Joburg,
Yeah,
but he went up to Germany,
yeah,
and they
and
won it.
yeah,
That's a hard
representing.
feeling, me bro, but that boat cost like probably lots of money just
Yeah,
to
you
get
must
it.
know you must ship your car, you must pay for the container to take it up and all that stuff. But
Oh, is that how they transfer the
yeah,
cars?
and I
Yeah, no,
must
me
know
bro.
the clearance there is because you're changing number plates, your registration must change, everything.
Mm,
They must approve of everything to be there. I'm not sure how it works. Mind me, you guys can criticize it for it, but I'm not sure how it works. But
yeah.
yeah, it's a lot of
Oh,
process, man. To
why?
check.
Nah. Do you have
Yeah,
any other
I
questions
do
about
have,
thoughts or scenario, bro?
I
You
do
know how people in that scenario.
scenarios, yeah. So I have a scenario. It's for everyone out there, but this one goes straight to you.
Oh,
What will
why?
you tell? What advice do you have for people that know someone who has a crush on you? What advice would you give them to give the person that has a crush on you?
So, how can I explain it like in first person?
Okay, first
Do,
person.
do I know this person have a crush on you
No, 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 no,
and I'm not telling you what?
no, 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 no,
Oh,
no, 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 no. You can't
now
do that.
explain it,
So,
bro.
so maybe not first, but I'm saying third, second person, third person, whatever.
Uh,
So this girl has a crush on you.
yeah.
What advice will you give me about yourself to tell this girl or something
Are
that
you now my wingman in this
no,
thing?
not the wingman.
Howdy, howdy.
Look at like what? Okay, what advice would you give a person that has a crush on you? You don't know they have a crush on you, but what advice would you give this person?
Do I like this person?
You like this person.
So I'm gonna tell this, but I'm gonna make me sound like ultimately trying this person. So I'm gonna try now, make me sound better than I am. And this I now doubt myself
So
or
basically, you're saying you're gonna lie. You're gonna lie to
I'm not
people.
lying mistaken, guy. I'm not lying mistaken just to win this person.
Nah, that's
I'm
not.
not gonna lie to the point where they know it, man. Man's
This
talking
means
cat. It's again, bro.
I
I'm
see, I
just
see. Every day I'm
what
gonna take better
advice
pictures.
are you giving advice now to the person? What advice you gonna give to a
like,
person that ngayo?
nah, you
They
should.
ngayo me,
You
bro.
the guy, but you know, you must give it small sense of closure. Like, look, I am a bitchy man, but I'm a lover. You understand?
It
But
was though.
yeah.
You were
Well,
so good.
nah, you can't say we just say, like if you give advice, you must say like, most people will say, nah, look, yeah, I'll take care of you, bro, like this. Like, you must be honest with you and say, look, yeah, I'm broke, I'm not gonna take care of you. You must support us till I can support you, understand?
We.
My advice, like, you must wait there. If I say we're gonna walk till there, you're gonna walk with me. Because
Oh,
goodness don't now walk nowadays.
we. Oh, so you're gonna basically like tell her what
You're not
what
there yet.
you're not there yet, and whatever she gets, she must like stand with you no matter what now.
Yeah. But
Oh, like
why would you tell us the first thing
I
is we
was
were
gonna,
to, I was
I
gonna
was,
lie to us,
I
girl,
was
but
gonna sell myself, Muslim bro. How you gonna sell
you
something?
don't tell yourself. I tell you honestly, man, bro.
Honestly,
I
I
feel like
didn't know it,
the
bro.
reason why I'm asking this question, I feel like she is the type of person that will see one girl drive a lot of cars, and he will judge her.
Now we are all judge.
Maki sa kind is a mechanic, my bro.
I think she's cockroach, first of all. So that's one thing.
Hey, what's the other thing, man?
Hey bro, she's bougie, my bro. How you
Nah,
mean?
you see nowadays you get a lot of girls who work in, my bro, girls who work in a lot of, the strongest woman
Mm.
in the world is from PE. It's from South Africa, actually, not PE, South Africa.
Oh, that's strongest woman. Yeah, I saw.
Yeah,
We won the man and the woman.
and
I
the
think.
woman, like, so you can't judge now, bro.
No way, but
It is
I
weird.
ne don't believe a girl ne until she say for herself. Nah, she don't care about what car a guy drives and all of it. And you know what I mean,
Yeah, I
man.
know what you mean, yeah. I know
Until
what you
she
mean.
say it out of her own mouth, my bro. You check
She can say it and still lie to you,
how way
bro.
she can lie, yeah, and then she expect more at the end of the day,
She can't expect more, my bro. She
my
must be
bro. But
grateful.
that
Like,
way I know, yeah, she can be grateful.
yeah, because nowadays you get a lot of, what is it, TikTok, the
People, yeah, show the world.
what they doing is they like to like take photos with the cars and this and that. So you
Mm,
don't know, my bro, you don't know.
you don't never know.
You
But
don't
why
know.
it's so shaky? I have to check if my phone is still recording.
Why?
Oh, it is not.
Okay, nah, it's alright.
Oh, yeah, I'll just got a space on. Don't stress.
There was another question I asked you in the car, no? I
Mm,
forgot the question. I shot
man.
blank once I saw the
Worried.
camera.
But
Yeah.
did it come back at least?
No,
No.
it didn't come. It didn't come back.
No.
I was thinking the whole time, no, yeah, it was something, ne? He
Uh,
wasn't answering the car, and I said, nah, I'm gonna save it. But now I
oh.
don't remember it.
At I like us new memes it is out, my bro. It finds it one in
Yeah.
his other, what do you call, God forbid.
It's not memes at me, bro. It's people's lives at me,
And
bro.
how people's lives, guys. One saying, watch go, what? Someone's asking us, person, why don't you have a license yet? And
Yeah.
I suppose now, God forbid, I want to lower the carbon emission in the world. Like, hey, man, check.
Like
That
anything,
was God
how
funny, bro.
we like I've seen a lot of like this is one also like
Mm.
I read now recently. You blame January for being broke.
Yeah.
What's your excuse now? Like
Oh, wait, right, me, bro. The last few days before payday, me,
oh,
bro.
it's the worst.
Bro is, okay, not few days, basically the last 2 days or one day you check. Your
Yeah,
last day, you feel
you
it, bro,
feel
bro.
me, bro. Like then okay, you
You,
have less for everything.
the
So
last,
much
especially imagine you pay like I feel it, bro. I pay different days to use.
yeah,
I
it's
like
daily thing.
whether it be your bank is pay a certain time, maybe you pay the night,
But yeah,
everyone else pay the morning.
you must
You
feel it because
feel it, bro.
yeah, because okay, I know now certain people like they rush to work.
Yeah,
They first up early, like when it's payday,
yeah,
and they know they're getting paid in the morning.
they
Bro,
early up.
early up, the house is so much busy. People's doing washing and bro. Like,
Oh,
I mean, you must go work still. It's still Friday, and people's
man.
doing
You're
washing, bro.
buying boa you don't need actually, my bro.
Yeah,
One time when I used to work by this old place, I would always buy a pie for no reason, my bro, on my tea time. Just kind of like, I'm not
okay.
even angry, my bro. I'm just gonna go buy a
Just go
pie.
buy a pie.
That's how I was, my bro. You must spend unnecessary.
Waste, man. Not even spending on it as a wasting.
My bro, it's a pie, guy. It's a burger pie with cheese, my bro. How you mean?
And burger pie is most underrated chow you can find. It is a peri peri
Mm.
burger pie, the cheese one.
But where's your go-to place, my bro? Like you going out, you're late at night, man. 2, 3 o'clock. Fresh top, man.
First
I'm
up,
not gonna lie. Fresh
a
top, man. It's been.
Manchi Monday.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how you feel. Manchi Monday. 2 burgers and
Uh,
chips. Ha.
oh,
That
I
bullshit.
don't know why Fresh top became like my number one place. Hey, bro, you see people out there.
Yeah.
You say shop to them there. You go to Fresh top. You see
You see
them
them
there
there.
again.
Yeah.
Ne?
Was it what happened now to us, mate? Um, our plan was to like
Mm,
go home.
yeah.
Then my girlfriend was like, nah, look here, fresh up. I'm like, okay, nah, no stress. Go to fresh up. Every single person we're chilling with
Get Fresh
is
top.
my fresh up. Like we try to avoid them to go eat. And they also avoiding us to go eat.
When kaya naman, they waiting na. Mas minsan daw nagkasuhan
Yeah.
So we don't wanna watch go make our pockets empty.
Empty.
Okay, Jamie also there.
Check now, check. Yeah, that's people also yeah. Now, yeah, we didn't buy them. But so, and they
Oh,
thinking, check. Nah,
and the one invited, no
the
one
one
will
invited
be
no
so
one.
just showing up here.
Like we have bad habits, bro. Like there's times that we will go like if I know I
Mm.
go to my house, but I'm gonna have to share with my sister.
Yeah.
Oh, my top is gonna say that. Keep from your so peace.
Oh, yeah.
Same. So every time we buy something, we sneak up. Nobody knows we're there. We'll just sit there like a half an hour, duck it show.
Oh, you chow, yeah. And the
And the
place from
place is,
outside, you chow finish. And then
yeah.
you go home.
But I don't enjoy it. I
At
don't
that
know you.
late night, me, bro. So,
You
you
don't
know, your
complain.
parents is, yeah, you angry, me, bro.
Yeah.
They won't understand even if you
And I mean you
bring a
are out the
bowl.
whole night, me, bro.
Oh, yeah. So, it's a top bro about, like, the night vibe, me, bro.
Yeah.
You can go anywhere, man. Like, it's coffee for you and all of it.
Yeah, but
Uh,
look here, bro. Do you ever drink coffee and go sleep?
yeah, I thought, I don't know why it that make me sleep easier.
Caffeine don't affect us, man.
It don't affect me, bro.
Right, dude. I know when I realized it was a problem. Look here,
Mm,
I think it was last week we were working. I came to you. I was like, look here,
mm,
do you have a 10 rand there? They won't allow me to swipe a 10 rand.
yeah,
Buy me a score.
yeah,
But I went to go buy me a score. Lunchtime came. I was out. I
easy.
fell asleep at work. I was out.
Caffeine.
Yeah.
But I got caffeine work different for certain type of people, me bro. Like certain type of people, you drink caffeine, it will make you energy. But with other people, you drink like caffeine or anything that give you energy, it will work in the opposite way, me bro.
What I heard was high blood.
Nah, nah, nah.
High
I'm
blood.
more easy, me bro. I scattered like people with energy. The spectrum, man, since I mean it.
Just
Just
saying.
say,
I
madam.
can't believe I spent that I'm ADHD.
I'm not saying as well as on
Ah.
the spectrum, but I will work like different for different people, man.
You
I'm
know,
just saying it.
I will accept it that if I spent that I have OCD, yeah, but ADHD was something else. Was
Can't sit still with it.
I don't
Uh,
actually have
uh,
a problem with every time I come visit with it and I'm puzzled. And I say, why are you shaking so? I'm like, why was
That's
it?
man always working on his car, me, bro. No way. That's man look for Bow to work on his car. That's man start breaking Bow.
Even bored watching. Oh, that's breaking power.
Yeah.
When I start breaking power. It's not breaking power.
Yeah.
You try.
And you see that video where bro to what would you choose? 500 kayo Uncle Waffles. Did you see that video? I mean, like you would choose Uncle Waffles. Always me, bro. But that way, if I must be offered 5 million or Tyler, I'm choosing Tyler, me, bro.
Nah. Why? You can
Mm.
become Tyler with it 5 mil.
Yeah, bro, if Tyler was broke, me, bro, I'd choose her.
I wish it's 30.
She's pretty, me, bro. She know, she can dance. She dress na. I bet she can buy bawa by Pepsi or Yaget, bro.
And yes, the Judge Cook sisters, me, bro. You still not, bro.
Oh, me, bro, videos is push funny, me,
What,
bro.
did you see what she face about Cook sisters?
What you say?
I don't know if she faces now or not. No, I don't. I'm not sure.
My bro, I don't care, my bro. I think can be vegetarian also. No, I'm not that I be vegetarian people, but my bro, that child can do what
You advise
she
now you're
can do
dating
what she want.
vegetarian people. That's what you advise now.
I'm not. Nah, I didn't mean it, bro. I'm not fighting with you.
Yeah, we appreciate you.
No way. But the way siya kill me, bro, I feel like it's both stuck long. I don't know how long, to be honest.
Nah, I doubt it. It's 23 minutes.
23 minutes. You
Yeah.
wanna go on me, bro?
Yeah, we'll go on. I
No
don't know.
way.
You look uncomfortable.
Nah, man. It's just my timing. You check it, bro. But the way, if you have another question, me, bro, go ahead, me, bro.
I have a lot of questions, but you maybe should like.
Ask me, bro.
So, okay, you must have a lot of cousins.
Yeah,
And
we I have a lot
yeah,
of
you
cousins,
have a
yeah.
lot of family members.
Uh,
So, what did you do?
you go like you don't have a lot of family members,
I
me, bro.
do, but I don't know none of them. And maybe
Oh,
I only know my father's side. Done.
uh,
Done. Yeah.
but the way, sorry for disturbing your question, carry
No, no,
on.
no, it's alright, it's alright. So, what do you do, nah? If you like you see your family members they visiting you?
Mm,
What do you do if like a sugar daddy come pick him up and you know, nah, this man is rich. What's my cousin doing with it? What you gonna say? What will your reaction be to it?
me,
Yeah,
but my cousins.
yeah, yeah. Old to
I'm
pick
gonna
up
allow my cousins, guy.
yeah, old to
I,
pick up with you, cousin.
so I will wise now think, nah, as bras kak old na gan. But my bro, my cousins, they do what they want, man. They
So
like
you will allow it.
they so used to doing what they want, man. That everyone allowed them to love their own
So
life,
you're
man.
gonna think now, who are you to
I'm not gonna.
tell
I'm not that. We're not.
that?
Our cousins is not. We're not that people that stop Makar.
Mm-mm.
You see,
But you
so
judge them though.
I'll think nah, brass old or whatever.
So
What?
you don't judge.
Yeah, but like at the end of the day, I also salute him, man. Cause
They will salute you if you came with a sugar mommy. Yeah.
way it's a thing, man. I'll always nah as a person is maybe old or whatever. But I'll also say nah, they're actually gonna be loving our life now.
So,
So they don't have to stress.
yeah,
It's like I will say something, but I will also something to back. You see,
I don't feel like you'll say
I
anything
feel
else.
like you will stop your cousins
No, me bro.
from living a best
No,
life.
me bro.
Don't
Me bro.
lie.
You know what I was thinking? I was thinking the whole time like, yeah, if one of my family members came up now, like sugar daddy vibes and whatnot, I said, okay, every time invite me with, man. I swear to
But
God.
you-
Yeah, I fucking God, chow, me bro. That's all I want to
Oh,
do. Just buy me chow. You win me over.
but I don't think, me bro. I judge anyone, me bro. I must say I don't judge you, me bro.
Yeah, you the worst, me
I
bro.
like judging.
You the worst. Because
I do.
you know this when we drive, ne?
Oh,
We will stay quiet and you will just, just sit my did you check it, bro?
oh, yeah. But
I'll
I just think that I won't judge someone,
in
unless
there
they
for,
tell me
no,
to.
you know,
If they tell me, don't judge me, man.
yeah.
And then I won't judge you. Check it, bro.
You lie. You won't tell us. You won't judge him in the face, ne? But you know
Uh,
what you do? Like when we go home and like, you know what that conveys me? Or you know what that conveys
you
me?
going like you saw angels, me, bro. You just
We got it. So we, bro. We
you
don't
all
mean it.
going to yell, me, bro,
And I
together.
was excited.
Uh,
They say don't tell nobody about us there. But knowing us there, we can't look, bro. We
no,
don't take
we
life serious.
unless it's a secret, I will keep a secret. Especially if I make me promise something, bro.
Yeah.
I'll keep it, bro, because
That was see.
I take it very serious, way, bro.
Oh yeah, I know you take it more serious.
Why?
You know why I say also you I don't think you take it more serious also.
Why?
Because sometimes like, we be deep like we be like we were riding home there and we can't see nothing. I'm talking about the sun is blazing, everything's in your face. And that's where we'll start singing. No, you can't see nothing. And I know it and then okay. Make
Sing
sure
kag ben, bro.
but don't feel guilty.
Someone that asked me, a girl that asked me, nah, come and go do karaoke. Is there a place to do karaoke? I mean, check to myself, I can't sing, me, bro. Why would I go to a karaoke bar?
Support.
Unless it's now Tokyo, Japan, where you have it
Yeah, it's
parts,
screen.
like at the room where you can do karaoke together
No,
and get
it's
drinks or
a few karaoke bars about.
like where you block in a room with only your men. So.
No,
You
you
see,
in
I
the
know it's karaoke bars, but like a private room in where you can chill and then the
but
people bring you drinks and food
I
like
think
in
there is,
Japan,
man.
Tokyo, man.
I know what you mean. I think there is.
Yeah.
I think there is in PE. What? But why would you want to do it in private though?
Me, bro,
The reason,
you having a fun time with your friends. Why must I now go sing for everyone here?
the reason why they do it is for the experience, my bro, and the
Me,
support.
bro, they force us once in Malabar to sing, me, bro. I tell him I can't sing, me, bro. You was a keep on lying, me, bro. You just
We yeah, you education is as bank as bra can do anything and everything. Maar
nah.
in the morning, as man, every morning, as man send to the group a mother picture is progress of jump.
Nah, I don't even jump first of all, and I don't take selfies. I don't take selfies. Why would I? I send you a picture of my figurines, me, bro.
You
Even
see,
though they too.
now funny thing about the figurines, there's a mother behind the figurines and he's topless and he takes a picture. And
Yes,
imagine like I'll post what
I'm cockfed guy. I have rules.
what happened, bro? Okay, we were skinny,
I
man.
was a ton. I was like second to you, ne?
Yeah, you were
You
second
were
to
the
me.
ton. You were the ton. I was like second, me, bro.
I went the
And
10 minutes,
bro, come
bro.
over to do something else to me, bro.
Nee, kopen het punish me, kopen het help us weer outro. As we het enjoy it.
No, me, bro. But it's COVID was, my bro, in COVID, ne, I was like, nah, this is boring and all of it.
Oh,
But now the COVID is done, I think, yeah,
no,
me,
it was
bro.
the
I
best
should
thing
have
ever.
but do more, me, bro.
Yeah,
Even though I was like in a house and
yeah,
all, I feel like I could have done more, me, bro.
we could have done. We tried though.
Mm.
What I did, I watched One Piece episode
Oh yeah,
one,
but
two,
stop it.
nine,
It's a nga part about COVID that I didn't know really enjoy. Me and you block late at night
late at
watching
night.
a series like kak
How
long
much
series.
series did you watch, bro?
You watch a lots of
Because
stuff,
I
me
remember
bro.
he gave up now, and I continued. I continued. I
No,
think I stopped by 900 and something.
nee, was
800.
750 side.
Yeah, 715. I continue watching. When COVID stopped, obviously, I continue watching, and I stopped by 900 and something, and this new seasons came out, and I just
No way, and
yeah,
now we carried on again now this year, you see.
yeah,
But yeah, COVID was a different bow, me bro.
yeah. We actually did a lot.
How we were playing mad game, me bro.
No, but we actually did a lot,
How you
bro.
mean we done a lot, me?
We tried to make it's been he did architecture. He started architecture. Yeah, he started
How we?
architecture. Why are you laughing? This is like
No, serious, bro.
check.
Uh,
Definition of don't take life serious.
how
Listen.
we?
Now he did architecture now. So we made like he made first for his first project. He asked me to get down. I want to help him.
Hey, bro, I
Alright.
did uses, man, on every project, me, bro. I'm not gonna
Oh,
lie.
yeah, because you know about him.
How I know, man, you're good with your hands and anything, man.
As man decide there, shaky 3 days before the time. Man, she did, I need to end this email.
How I?
Yeah, 3 days before end we finished the project actually. And then after that when COVID hit bad, and I asked him, okay, don't you wanna do us, bro? And he just said, me, bro, find whatever materials you have and you can build, bro.
How I, nah.
Away,
But I did have lots of bows lying around me, bro.
away. All I bought went to waste.
How we? But now we done a lots of autos and all of it, me, bro. We were
Yeah.
looking for bow. I wish we actually done a podcast, me, bro. Then
Then
you see, because me, bro. I understand we were broke, me, bro. I'm not
yo,
gonna
I
lie.
was broke, me, bro.
But other than that, me, bro, it was so much time to
That,
do something,
yeah.
man. You check.
Now it made me broke.
Mm.
Okay, they sold cigarettes now. The cheapest cigarette for 5 rand. One.
And she was,
JFK.
bro, yo, it was bad,
That's
man.
bad, bro.
You,
You
with
can
it.
pay 50 rand for the 20s. 50 rand. 20s, me,
Yo,
bro.
me, bro, life was now difficult,
Yo,
me, bro, at time. With cigarettes and bow.
cigarettes. But we made it through, me, bro. Whatever we made, now, we brought to the table and said, okay, we're gonna eat now, we're gonna
Oh,
do this, we're gonna. Whatever you check.
uh,
I'm surprised I never had COVID now. All of
how I didn't have COVID,
yeah,
me,
it
bro.
was just me, you and
I
me.
was a friend house.
No, everyone.
Oh, I.
Even my family, my mother, my father, everyone
Everyone got,
got COVID. Yeah, just us never
me,
got.
bro, we were in a room, we did love in a room, guy.
We were good.
We didn't exit, guy.
You could literally put a bubble around his room. You know, just wait. I must. I know I asked you the first question about the dog running.
Uh,
So Rashid has this big, like this massive Boerboel dog now. Funny thing about this dog, I raised that dog,
that's when raise a dog, my bro. Married, play with a dog, feed a dog, everything.
but that dog ate me.
And dog black it as man tell us day.
Oh wait,
It like us man like I mean don't know us man.
I mean, almost took my leg the last time I was here. It was a year ago.
Uh,
I
uh,
never came to his house ever since.
nah, but it is.
Post-traumatic trauma, man.
I don't know what you done to it, man. That man, don't lie, bro.
Yeah, so before you end off, I know because I know
Mm.
you want to end off now.
Now we are on the end, my
Yeah,
bro. I
wait,
know my
wait.
phone have low,
No
whatever.
space, no storage. But there's a question I asked.
Mm.
Yeah, there's a question. So, remember what I spoke to you about when you see people in your dreams,
Yeah,
they're
I
thinking
remember.
about you.
Uh,
So this is why I asked you that. So, do when you dream, and you
mm.
have and those people appear in your dreams, what goes through your mind when you wake up? Like, yeah, I dream about that person. That's what happened. Or, yeah, I saw you now.
Uh,
Or what goes through your mind? I will tell you what goes in my mind, honestly.
I what? Okay, must I say
Yeah,
me
you
or
speak
you?
first. You speak first.
I think me as person was thinking on me first. I
Mm.
don't feel like I actually dreamed about me.
Yeah.
Sometimes I do dream about you, but I feel like about us when I dream about someone,
Mm.
it's not because I was
Must
thinking
say
on you
more
and
thinking
or
about it.
anything. It would just happen to be in my dream at day, you
Yeah.
see. But I feel like if someone else tell me, nah, they were dreaming about me, so I feel like they were thinking just on me or something, or spoke about me. That's my view.
That's your personal
Yeah.
thing. I'll be honest, I think that I'm ever cocked them.
Like,
Yeah.
you think I wish bad on you or
Yeah, they
something?
don't think I wish better. Like certain times, like it's just bra that I had. Like
Yeah.
we still now, but like one day I dreamt of him. Like we did some extravagant shit that we
Uh,
done already, but this time was different. When I woke up there, I was like, hey, that's brass. Poo poo.
he's like,
Yeah, I was like,
oh, you're beaming
yeah,
at the,
like there. Remember us? It's a DS. We
uh,
didn't do. We're not gonna do us,
you're
bro.
not gonna do it
Yeah,
after what you
yeah.
dreamt
And I was
about.
like, yeah. Why they think of us, bro? And a man will appear, like you will drive past me, will walk past me,
Uh,
and I was
so now
like,
it's same day,
yeah, it's
you
same
will
that.
appear.
Yeah, I
Uh,
would greet him there. Yeah, in my mind, I was like, I
no,
would flip him
the,
off like, man, look at
uh, uh,
MS, man. You check. And then the other thing is like, sometimes when I dream weird shit, but when I do dream,
yeah,
because when I dream, it's like a long ass blink, like my eyes closed constantly. I just wake up in this day. So when I dream weird, bro. But
I dream about people that's not in my life sometimes,
are
bro.
we,
And then I can't message him to tell him this, bro.
are we like, okay, nah, that happened with me now. The other day I woke up
Uh,
and I couldn't miss it. I was kack sad.
okay, you're like not close friends with him, or you like the friendship
It's not
ended or
there anymore,
whatever.
yeah.
So you can't tell him, nah, look,
You
I
can,
dreamt about you. Else I think
yeah, bros made.
this man is thinking about me
Man, the
again
thing is,
or
bros
whatever,
made, man.
or
Yes, man.
mad.
Yeah.
Why is he dreaming about me?
You
And then
check
they go face other
other
people.
people and it's a whole
Nah,
thing.
as man, not dream about me. Always just trying to
He's trying to get
trying to
back at
chat
me.
to me or whatever.
Yeah. Nah,
It's
but
like
as in this case, it's not like that anymore, bro. You can't
you
control
forget
it, bro.
about it, bro.
Yeah, you can't
Yeah, I
control
always forget my dreams.
it, bro.
I
No,
get dreams, ne. I remember them. Afternoon, dream is
but
like gone.
yeah. Now, what I try to do, ne, immediately when I dream of something,
Mm.
ne, I'll tell Miro immediately, or
Oh,
tell someone immediately when I wake
instead
up.
of having, guy, most people have dream journals, guy, but I
Yeah,
think
like
it's a normal
look
thing for
at dream
people to
journal is
forget.
a bit mad, ne. For me personally, it's a bit mad. Like I can't mentally think of myself writing my dream down because I was gonna be like gone in the next 3 minutes, 2 minutes. But
It's alright,
yeah,
you
you check. So what? There's one dream I remember. Ne. So I dreamed of you, Talent Munir. Like
know.
now, this is now our friend group now. Then my sister was with, girlfriend was with. There was another few people they were with. I can't mention names, but in this dream, that's what happened. So we went to Porto. Porto was the old Porto, still the
Oh,
water fountains. All.
fountain and all of it.
Yeah, so I decided to go on a ride.
Uh,
You guys spotted me, nah, go for it. In a dream, when I went up,
what but now again?
when I went up, I continued going up there. I went to space, and in my dream I was in space.
You
Man.
just start keep
Yeah,
looking
I
up.
just keep fucking.
Yeah, you still attached to us,
I'm
bro,
still a
bro.
tester. I was working the scene, bro. Now, yeah, I will pop up. You see the movies when it pop up, he was a ghost. Then
Uh,
you guys touch the guy like, guys, no.
and then you were,
Now I go up there, go into
are
space.
we looking up now,
You're
bro?
looking up. Now I come down there. But it's not me, it's my body, my soul, now my mind.
Uh,
Come here. Guys, I'm not there anymore. I'm not there anymore. And I was like, hey, you took out your phone. I went to see us, bro, shaky. I'm busy fighting a transformer in the field.
even
Yeah,
again.
that was my dream, bro. And
I
you took
just
a
can't
video.
wait to.
You took up the live video of me fighting a transformer. But you guys just watch me go into
I'll be
space.
watching you go get up.
Oh, yeah.
Watch is calm, yeah.
Come.
Everyone is calm. You meanwhile nothing. Your soul is here.
Oh, wait, check us live.
Uh,
Check us fighting a transformer.
oh, we are
It was
dreaming.
weird, bro.
Uh,
I
uh,
woke up there. My arm was dead. Oh,
oh,
wait, that's how I woke up. Yeah, but it was top dream, epic dream.
I'm gonna have to cut us, bro, man.
What?
I'm a rebels, bro, up, man. I know my phone have low battery and low life. It's always how it is. So, okay,
Unfortunate.
guys, that's it for another episode of Chills and Vibes. Yeah, welcome, Shaky, to the new edition. If you yes, man's brand, subscribe or follow. Because
Like
we releasing daily, like weekly content.
weekly
Ne.
content, yeah.
Yeah, so and Shaky is gonna be a part of everything from now on also.
So,
I promise us once, me, bro.
nah, guys, look here. There's no time for laziness now. Because
Always.
I'm very persistent, and this guy,
Ah,
He
why?
doesn't have a choice at the moment now. I
Ah,
don't
why?
have
I
a choice.
don't
So
have a choice.
every week, what times? What days? Thursdays, Fridays.
Tuesdays.
Okay, Tuesday. Every week, Tuesday, we will be releasing a new episode.
Ah, why?
We will be releasing something different, and we will be spicing up things because we have a mukbang and a
And a
blind date
blind date.
on the way.
And the blind date is gonna be juicy and the mukbang.
Look at the
Right, yes,
blind,
people just have stories. They
blind
cock
date.
interesting people.
Yeah,
And at ones you will know them. Some, most of you will
yeah,
know them.
maybe some of you will know. But if
Yeah.
you do know them, you must know they have very, very interesting things
Now
to
when
tell you.
support him, bruh. Like
Okay.
a video,
Go
comment.
like, go subscribe, go comment, go scum, go do whatever, do the most,
That
basically.
way.
But mainly most important, please go share. The more you share, the more you will get intrigued
That way.
by what we do, and you will find out how.
Nah, we make juicy content.
Yeah, we make juicy content, and the stuff is things you can relate to. Because I mean, maybe
Daddy always make juicy content for PE. Since
yeah,
I
they always make wit.
that way. Daddy make wait for PE.
They make wait for PE. So yeah, guys, go like, subscribe, share.
And
This
that's
is
it for PE. Chosen vibes.
it for Chosen Vibes.
That way.
Peace
Peace
out.
out.